Welcome to my channel. TP-Link Deco satellite not syncing? Easy solution. 1. Check the main deco. Make sure your main deco unit is powered on and connected to the modem or router. Check that its LED light looks normal. 2. Move the satellite closer. If the satellite is too far away, it may struggle to connect. Place it near the main deco during setup. 3. Restart both decos. Unplug the main deco and satellite for about 30 seconds. Plug the main deco back in first, then power on the satellite. 4. Open the Deco app. Launch the TP-Link Deco app on your phone and make sure you are signed into the same TP-Link account used for your mesh network. 5. Check for a pending setup. In the Deco app, look for the option to add or set up a new deco unit. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. 6. Check the satellite LED. Watch the satellite's LED during setup. If it keeps showing an error or doesn't enter pairing mode, restart it and try again. 7. Update the Deco firmware. Open the Deco app and check for a firmware update. Keeping both units updated can fix connection and compatibility problems. 8. Try Ethernet backhaul. If wireless syncing isn't working, temporarily connect the satellite to the main deco with an Ethernet cable. This can help complete the initial setup. 9. Reset the satellite. If nothing works, press and hold the reset button on the satellite according to the model's instructions. Wait for it to restart, then add it again through the Deco app. 10. Put it back in the right spot. Once the satellite connects successfully, move it to a location between the main deco and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Avoid placing it behind thick walls or inside cabinets. Thanks for watching.